Hello, and welcome to the Oprah Show. Today's guest is Magnesium. Would you like to tell us a little about yourself? Well, of course, Oprah. My chemical symbol is AMG, my group number is 2, and my period is 3. I'm from the alkaline metals group. My atomic number is 12. And your weight? Well, you must never ask a lady that, but because you're Oprah, I suppose I could tell you. I weigh 24.305. That's certainly not a very large element. I would think not, ma'am. Tell us about your life. Well, of course. As magnesium, I'm normally a solid at room temperature, and I usually am a silvery white. I can tarnish when in contact with air, though I don't need to be stored without oxygen, as I have something that keeps me protected. And I react with water at room temperature, and especially when I'm in smaller bits and pieces. Tell us a little bit more about your life and your history. Well, I was discovered by Sir Humphrey Davy in the year 1808, yet Anton Bussey was the one who really found my true form in 1831. I was discovered in England, and the reason I'm wearing this wonderful toga today is because my name is derived from a Greek word from a Greek country. Well, that's very interesting. And what have you been up to over the years? Well, I was originally named Magnesium, if you didn't know, and my name was changed later to Magnesium. I was used in World War II fire bombs to bomb cities, and I was used by early photographers to get the flash. I'm also currently used, or may have been used, for aircrafts, like in World War II again, automotives, or car bodies and car frames. I'm also found in electronics like phones and laptops and tablets and all those other fancy things. And sometimes I'm found in zinc and batteries, so you can run all of those things. I'm also used as a fire starter in car wheels, and I protect underground tanks and pipes. That certainly is an impressive list of things you can do. I've heard that lately you've been doing some environmental work. Would you like to tell me about that? Oh, sure. I make up about 2% of the Earth's crust by weight, which is pretty impressive if you think about it. And I'm the third most abundant element dissolved in salt water, which is pretty cool if you ask me. And I'm also found in rocky minerals like magnetite and other things, including seawater, which I know ain't a mineral, but I mean, it's got salt in it, so I mean, that's kind of a mineral. And dolomite and magnetite is mined in 10 million tons a year, which makes me a pretty popular element to be. I see. That's very nice. Would you like to describe the picture behind us? Well, of course, Miss Oprah. The picture behind us is a picture of me and my electronic state, or my atomic state. This is what my atoms look like. It's very nice. Thank you. I have 12 protons and 12 neutrons, and I have 12 electrons. Well, thank you for coming here today, Magnesium. I really appreciate it. But before you go, you get a new car. And not only do you get a car, you get a car, you get a car, and you get a car. Everybody gets a car. Well, thank you, Miss Oprah. That's all for today on the Oprah Show. Coming up next on Dr. Phil. Does hydrogen really have a problem, or is it just too light?